2, rebound by number 8. Number 8 pass to number 12. Number 12 ngayon to number 16. To number 12, pass for 3. Wala, rebound. Pagkabas ng lalabas ng bola, pass to number 16. To number 12, pass for 2. Wala, rebound by number 11. This guy is the rebound by number 11. Violation, period, traveling. Number 16, pass to number 12, Pamposte. Pamposte nga didiskate. Pamposte ng aras by number 10. Taghain ng pass to number 16. 10 to shoot, number 16, pass to 2. Wala, pass ball na yung Emmanuel. Save the ball, napunta pa. Nakabili ng foul.